Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see trigonometry exercise 8.1 question number 6. Now question number 6 is little difficult as compared to other questions, but I will just try to make it as simple as possible. Let's see the question. What the question says: if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. So friends, what we are going to do is that here it's given that cos A is equal to cos B. So first of all, we'll make two right angle triangles wherein acute angles are angle A and angle B. So let's do that. तो हम यहाँ पे दो राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करेंगे. So let's make this as angle A. So we'll make acute angle as angle A. So this is say A, and second right angle triangle where acute angle is nothing but angle B. So just name this as A, M, N, and this as B, C, D. Okay. Now, as per the question, it is given that cos A is equal to cos B. So cos A is equal to cos B. This is what it is given in the question. Now, as per the definition, हमें पता है दोस्तों कि कोसाइन का डेफिनेशन क्या होता है. So with respect to the first triangle, कोसाइन का डेफिनेशन क्या होता है. So with respect to this acute angle A, this is perpendicular, AM is base and AN is hypotenuse. So definition of cos A is base upon hypotenuse, so it would be AM upon AN. Similarly, in second triangle cos B, so DC becomes perpendicular and BC becomes base, and this is hypotenuse. We know the basic formula of cosine is base upon hypotenuse. So this becomes BC upon BD. Now here we'll do cross multiplication कर देते हैं हम लोग. AN and BC will just interchange. So it becomes AM upon BC and AN goes there, so it becomes AN upon BD. So we did this purposely. Why? Because AM जो है, this is a part of triangle AMN, and then BC becomes part of triangle BCD. So since these two ratios are equal, let us assume that this ratio is equal to K. Now each ratio is equal to K. Since each ratio is equal to K, so here we can get value of AM. Now we can equate this with K. So what is the value of AM that we get? AM is equal to K into BC. Similarly, we will get AN as K into BD. Right. So we got these two values. Alright. Now what we'll do, in triangle AMN, we'll apply Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle AMN, using Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem, so we'll find out the third side. Here third side is nothing but NM. So what is the value of NM here? So or MN. So MN square is equal to hypotenuse square, that is AN square, minus AM square. Fine. Therefore taking square root on both sides, so we get MN is nothing but a root of AN square minus AM square. So similarly, Similarly, in triangle BDC, using Pythagoras theorem. So we'll find out third side, which is nothing but DC. So we'll get here DC square is equal to BD square minus BC square. Therefore, value of DC is nothing but square root of BD square minus DC square. Fine. So we got value of Mn as well as DC. Now we'll find out ratio of these two sides, that is Mn and DC. So just take ratios of these two, Mn and DC. So here we'll get this as Mn upon DC. So that's equal to root of An square minus Am square the whole divided by root of BD square minus DC square. Now we know value of An is nothing but K into BD, right? So value of An is nothing but K into BD. So this value we can substitute here. So what we'll get, that is An square becomes K square into BD square minus Am is nothing but K square into BC square the whole divided by root of BD square minus BC square. Now here numerator and denominator both contain square root sign, so we can write down numerator. So in square root sign we can take K square as common, so it becomes BD square minus BC square the whole divided by root of BD square minus BC square. Now we can take square root of this K square, so this comes outside of the square root sign and it becomes K. So as a result, numerator becomes BD square minus BC square the whole divided by root of BD square minus BC square. So this entire thing get cancelled and we get this ratio as K. So we got Mn by DC is equal to K. Now we got these equations, Am by BC is equal to An by BD. So let us assume this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, what we can say, here all these three ratios, that is Am by BC is equal to An by BD, Am by BC is equal to An by BD, and that is equal to Mn by DC, right? So here what we can say, Am by BC is equal to An by BD is equal to Mn by DC. Now if you see this carefully, so directly we know that in two triangles, now there little concept of similarity is used. In similarity, if there are two triangles, say A, B, C, P, Q and R, and the ratio of all three sides are equal, I am saying ratio. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. So we say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by which test? SSS test. So similarly here the two triangles are triangle, what is the name of triangle here that we took? Triangle AMN and BCD. So triangle AMN similar to triangle BCD. What is the reason? SSS test. Now we know that when two triangles are similar, then its corresponding sides are in proportion and corresponding angles are equal. So that's why we can say that the corresponding angle of A is angle B. Hence, we'll say that angle A is equal to angle B. So what is the reason for this? Corresponding angles of similar triangle are equal.